weather knows when it's going to be have a little activity around some regions, but like right now there's like a significant risk for severe weather. I was trying to say every knows when there's a big chance for like good chance for something that could happen, but it is not like there's a good chance for tornadoes. Nope, because it's already passed, but there's a good chance for like damaged wind and maybe a little bit hail. I was trying to say it, but because there's gonna be a lot of little bit weird weather, then it turned into a dry line scenario around that area during a line of thunderstorms. Eventually it will be in as well. And also what the lots of key values will going shows us up. This will be like 1 hour, and it will be getting much more cape round like a lot of chances around 2,000 joules of cape. That's why there's a good chance for a little bit severe weather in that area as this is a risk. It knows. And as well as like around 6 hours before the storms then as well. And also there will be a lot of dew points as well going on right now on there, and as well what is good grades or not will be a lot of dew points. That is another thing we know about. Well, there's actually going to be a little bit much more left during the storm at around like 14 hours that will be at during like 10 p.m. That's when it is a good chance for lots of things, and since then it will be a little bit weakening. But is this the play in the role as the cold front and warm front as well? We need to keep an eye on this area for that threat. It will be very hot and very warm, and the temperature will be around like 84 degrees Fahrenheit, and then a cold front bring it down a little bit lower, then try and bring it back up. But we need to keep on those boundaries to get the severe weather apart from that. And otherwise from the tropical area will be a little bit quiet until maybe during August, around the August area, because there's like a second area for we to keep an eye on it. This region around the Africa, because that's where they're producing more like a low pressure, but we keep an eye on it because right now it's just nothing, right? But until when you go check, and there's gonna be much more, then it gets closer, going spread outwards. We keep an eye on that second area in case there will be a tropical storm or depression at this point. Well, the GPS point out, you see around this area, you see a little yellow ball, but that means a little good spin, but it is drastically weakening because there's actually supposed to be 3 spin, 1, 2, and 3, but actually will be ripping apart. But there will be a little power we'll see what it is like, will be like in around very longer change. Well, after that will be behind us, and maybe a massive one. Around that August 28th, we need to keep an eye on European models shows very strong spin around that area. On August 29th will be maybe a tropical storm we do keep an eye on in case will happen going during this hurricane season, but it was a little bit quiet because of dust and really dry air and also dry water vapor. But maybe that will change until next couple weeks. We need to keep on that, but I'm going can't be. But maybe after that campaign, I feel much better. I will post more often. But this is my outro. Extreme weather out of here.